Namaste, hello, hi, welcome to Achievers News. Odisha government will prepare to fight with COVID-19 third wave. Odisha government has made necessary preparations to tackle the possible third wave of COVID-19 which is expected to hit the state in October to November, said Pradeep Mahapatra, Additional Chief Secretary Department of Health and Family Welfare. Children below 18 years are likely to be affected more during the possible third wave, as predicted by public health experts. Therefore, the state government is fully ready to tackle the situation. As many as 3,000 additional beds, including 610 ICU beds, have been arranged for the treatment of the children. Necessary drugs and health equipment are also in place to meet any kind of eventualities, said Mahapatra.